Okay, y'all, I'm back to show you my chicken that is fried, and I deep fried it in the iron skillet. I still have some frying, and this is the finished product. I battered it in this. This is flour, and I mixed paprika, smoked paprika, garlic powder, turmeric, onion powder, oregano, salt, and pepper. And this is what I battered it in, and this is how it came out. And this is the iron skillet. So, family, please share, subscribe, like, follow, tell your friends about my channel, and make comments. If you try this recipe, please let me know. Thank you so much for joining. I love each and every one of you. Have a great day. Bye now.